Hi, I'm Crash, the creator of STRM.TOOL, and I'm going to walk you through downloading and installing and setting up and doing the initial walkthrough of STRM.TOOL so you can kind of know what to expect. Let's just jump into it. So the first thing you want to do is join the Discord. Seriously, join the Discord. Tons of helpful people there. My testing team, my mods, myself. We're all in the Discord, and we're here to help you if you have any questions about STRM.TOOL, anything that's not covered in any of these videos. So jump in the Discord. Once you've done that, head over and download STRM.TOOL from STRM.TOOL.app. Once you have it downloaded, open it up, and you're going to have this window pop up. This is because I do not have a certificate issued yet, so Windows isn't sure if it's a legit app. It is. It's just Windows isn't sure. So click More Info and run anyway. Next, you'll have the startup screen, the install screen. Go through the install process. I'll see you on the other side. All right. Once you have STRM.TOOL installed, double-click it to launch for the first time. You'll see the window pop up. Does a bunch of work, and it's going to say Opening User Interface. It opens it up in your default browser. Your computer's a bit slow. It might take a bit, or it might happen right away. But here you are, greeted with the user interface. You have a quick start guide, kind of walks through everything that you should do, your first steps. So the first thing you should do is log in with your Twitch account. If you have one, it's going to unlock this Twitch tools section so you can actually use these tools, because you can see a Twitch login is required. So let's head on back over here. So if you log in with your Twitch account, right through there, you can log in, you unlock a lot of tools. Check out the FAQ section, which is over here in Help. There's a lot of useful information there, as well as, I'm guessing you're seeing this in the tutorial videos. You've already been here. As I said before, join the Discord. You're going to get live support in there, and if you're a premium user, you get priority support. So if there's hundreds of people asking questions in general support, but there's only a couple of you in premium support asking for support, you'll get the attention right away. Definitely check out the weekly feature clip. Now, every single week, I update the clip, and it's someone who's using STRM.TOOL to do something cool on their stream. If you capture a clip of you doing something cool on the stream, post it on social media, hashtag STRM.TOOL, post that clip, and you have a chance of being selected and being put in the app as the feature clip, as well as on STRM.TOOL.app. Next up, we'll go into settings, and you want to set up STRM.TOOL exactly the way you want. There's formatting for different bots. There's just different ways of setting things up, kind of whatever works best for you. And then finally, you can add OBS Studio as a browser dock. Now, STRM.TOOL user interface, you can close the browser and STRM.TOOL is still running. You can see up in the top corner here in your Windows taskbar, it says STRM.TOOL is still running. To open the user interface back up in your browser, right-click and open user interface. And that will bring the user interface back up in your browser so you can work on stuff. You do not need to have this user interface open for STRM.TOOL to work. It's a background program, and it just brings this up when you want to create triggers or you want to do settings changes. That's it. So you don't need to leave this running. So basically, on your left-hand side, you have all of your different tools that you can use. You have your basic tools. So these are all free. You don't need to log in to use any of these. These just work right away. You don't need to do anything. You have your Twitch tools, which you need to log in with Twitch to use because they tie to your account. And there are things like get your channel data. You can get your avatar image and save it as an image, or you can get your channel total views, follow count, sub count, stuff like that. So that's why you need to be logged in with that. Device tools. Device tools are also free. You don't need to log in to use those. So right now we have Elgato Keylight and display control. Broadcast tools, again, free. Cruise controller that ties to the cruise control bot. OBS command allows you to directly control OBS. And then, of course, premium tools. If you log in with Twitch and you have a Twitch subscription, then it unlocks all of these tools for you as well. But with that, we'll jump into each one of these sections, each one of these tools separately, but this is the general rundown. And then, of course, we have the settings section where you can adjust things the way you want. It can look a little intimidating. I do my best to kind of break it out, but we'll also go through this in a future video talking about settings and whatnot. I highly recommend you don't turn off dark mode, though. That's just, you don't want to do that. If you're running STRM.TOOL on your own, on the same PC that you're accessing the user interface from, you can open user files folder. You can do stuff right on the computer. But a really cool thing is you can open the STRM.TOOL user face from anywhere else on your network, any other device. And we'll quickly go do that. We have the session QR code. So what I can do is I can take my phone, open up the camera app, point it at the QR code, and it says, open the app in the top, open that link in the top. And there we go. We have access to STRM.TOOL, this exact user interface, this exact session on our phone. So you can run it on any device you want on the network. You can access this user interface. So we'll stop this one here. What we'll do in the next video is we'll talk about how STRM.TOOL works, how you get it to work with its triggers and whatnot, and then we'll dive into some of the settings. I'll see you guys in the next video.